You ready to do some meat and potatoes?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right. Ibrahim in Lewiston, Maine. Ibrahim.
Hey, Brian, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, good. Thank you for answering my question. So I have a question. I applied I came here as a 2-year green card, and I applied my I-131, and it's still pending. Now it's 3 years anniversary of the green card holder. I wanted to apply my N400 citizenship naturalization.
You got divorced from your spouse?
Yes. So
okay.
I'm
but now your I-751 is pending 3 years, so you've had a permanent residence for 5 years, correct?
No, I had a permanent residence for 3 years.
Okay, no. If you're divorced from your spouse...
No, I came here as a K-1 visa. I applied adjustment of status.
When did you adjust your status? Let's go back, because maybe I'm not misunderstanding the dates. When did you adjust your status? When did you get that conditional green card?
I got conditional green card April 2019.
April 2019. So in April 2021, you filed to remove the conditions. You're coming up on the third year of a permanent residence, but you have since divorced your spouse, correct?
That's correct.
Okay. You cannot file for your citizenship until 5 years. So if you got your green card in April 2019, you can't file for your citizenship 90 days before April 2024.
No, I didn't divorce. I didn't divorce my wife. We are still married and still pending.
You are together in a bona fide marriage with your wife?
Yes.
Oh, then I misunderstood. That's what I misunderstood. Then yes, go file your citizenship.
Yeah. So my question was, do I have to add, because of when I apply the I-751, they send me what they call I-797. Notice of
wait, you're giving me too many numbers and you're breaking up.
Oh, after applying, so I want to apply the naturalization now. So what I wanted to ask you was, do I have to add the biometric reuse when I apply the N400?
What you need to do when you file for your naturalization is you need to prove that you and your wife today are still in a bona fide marriage, and you have to continue to be in a bona fide marriage every day through your interview and the day you swear in.
So do I have to add this 18-month extension letter?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. All of that to say, do I have to copy my extension notice? Yes, on your application. Sam in Chicago.
Hey, how are you? How are you doing? I'm great. Quick question. I finished my stock interview today and everything went well. I have an I-485, but the officer told me we can't do anything. We're just going to send you a letter and you have to go over the 485. So I don't know now the process if there is another interview again for the 485.
There's no interview. They're either going to send you an approval letter or they're going to send you a denial letter explaining why the interview did not go as well as you thought it did. Now, obviously, you said it went well, so I presume you're correct, so you should presume that you will get an approval in the mail.
Oh, but I still have to fight against the 485.
You don't have to fight anything. Your case is done. You're just waiting on a decision now.
No, I'm sorry, because I have an asylum case before it. It's in removal procedure.
Oh, you're in removal right now.
No, yeah, like there is no decision because it's got on hold.
So you have to get the approval of the I-130, then you have to go back to the judge, withdraw your asylum, and adjust your status before the judge.
Yeah, no interview or anything. But should I contact the USCIS for the judge, or they gonna contact me?
No, you wait on the approval, and then you make a motion to the judge and say, "Here's my approval."
Oh, that's it.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Let's go to Mark in the Bronx. Mark in the Bronx.
Hey, how
Hi,
you
how are
doing,
you?
Uncle Bert?
How you
Doing good.
doing?
I have one question. So, what do you mean the case I want to reopen or reconsideration?
What does motion to reopen and reconsider mean? Is that your question?
Yes.
Well, when you get a case denied, you can sometimes appeal it. An appeal would go to a higher authority, and you say, based on everything I submitted, I think they made the wrong decision. On a motion to reconsider, you're making not an appeal to a higher authority, you're making an appeal to the same person who already denied you. And you're saying, please reconsider your decision. I think you made the wrong decision. Let me explain to you why. A motion to reopen is, again, not an appeal to a higher authority. It's an appeal right back to the same person who denied your case. But in this particular situation, instead of saying you made the wrong decision based on what was in front of you, you're saying you made a wrong decision because you didn't have all the evidence in front of you. I want to add this additional evidence that if you saw this, you would change your mind. So there's appeal, there's motion to reconsider, and a motion to reopen. Those are three different things. Motions to reopen and reconsider go back to the same person. Appeals go to a higher authority.
Okay, if it's someone who never requested any emotion, but the case is showed that is the case was reopened.
Say it again.
I say if somebody never requested any evidence, so they say that the case is said your case was reopened.
Well, then what happened is that somebody at immigration took a look at the case after and made their own motion and said, we made an error, we're going to fix it and reopen your case.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right.
I have a friend again, so he filed an asylum since 2014, but he never received any interview letter.
Yeah, he's not going to for years and years unless he does a mandamus or a threat of a mandamus.
Okay, thank you, Uncle Brad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.